Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I received this HOORINB wallet. It has this space for your cards. I actually just put some things upon the wallet, like this stuff. You can set it up with this mesh right here so you can look through. It has plenty of space for your cards, as you can see, and either way you can put one here, one on this side, and another one in there. This is the space for your money. As I said, I just put some things on it. And what's very special about this wallet is that it protects your cards with this space. You put them on, you don't need to assemble it, you just put them on, and that's all. And that's not all the things that I like about this wallet. It has this space that you might have guessed is for a Apple Airtag. You just put them. Has this little like space, so you can. It's a bit complicated with just one hand, but there it is. I like it to be centered, so I'll just like that. I mean, it's not centered, but it doesn't look bad. Okay, so why I like this wallet that much, and I needed it. I'm a bit clumsy and I tend to forget where I leave my things on. So sometimes when I'm a bit in a hurry and I can't remember where I left my wallet, well, I can just use the Apple Airtag and hear the sound. Okay, so now this bunch of cards are mine. They are what I use the most, and as you can see, put them up in this space. I will slide him. Let's find it. Okay, and just slide him. It has that like rubber-like surfaces, both sides, so they stay there a little. They don't come out, definitely, and it has this mechanism. So you can sort through your cards which you want to use. It's very convenient, very practical. I'll definitely recommend.